Okay, students. So, as we discussed in the last video, the numerical related to molecular mass, sorry, molecular formula determination. Okay. So here I have taken one of the example. Okay. The what our numerical says that an organic compound contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen give following data. Okay, following percentage composition, that is carbon is equal to 40% and hydrogen is equal to 6.67%. Calculate the molecular formula of compound if its atomic mass, sorry, molecular mass is 180. If its molecular mass is 180. So they have given the percentage composition of carbon, that is 40%. They have given the percentage composition of hydrogen, that is 6.67%, and they have given the molecular mass of compound, that is 180. That is what? 180. And they have told us to calculate the molecular formula of compound. molecular formula क्या करने का है? डिटरमाइन करने का है. कार्बन का परसेंटेज दिया है, हाइड्रोजन का परसेंटेज दिया है और मोलिकुलर मास दिया है. और उन्होंने क्या बताया है? They have told us that the compound contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now the percentage of oxygen is not given over here. Okay, not given here. So what it is? The total percentage of each and every element present in the compound is equal to 100%. Okay, and compound contains three. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, and only oxygen. So if we minus the this percentage of carbon and hydrogen from 100, we will get what? Percentage of what? Oxygen. So percentage of oxygen, here we will calculate percentage of oxygen. O is equal to 100 minus the percentage composition of carbon plus hydrogen, and that is 46.67. Okay, so I have directly written over here 46.67. This will give you 53.33. Okay, 53.33. Okay, so this 53.33 is nothing but percentage of what? Oxygen in the given compound. Now we will write the what, as we will go as per the table. First we have to determine the empirical formula and then we go for molecular formula. So same table I have drawn over here, and the compound contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. We have written the elements and the symbols are C, H and O. C, H and O. Now the percentage of element, carbon has 40%, hydrogen has 6.67 and oxygen we have calculated 53.3%. Okay, atomic mass of carbon it is 12, hydrogen it is 1 and oxygen it is 16. Number of moles 40 divided by 12, which is equal to, what is the number of mole? Mass divided by atomic mass. Mass divided by atomic mass. This is nothing but 3.33. 6.67 divided by atomic mass, that is 1. This will become 6.67 once again. Okay, and 53.33 divided by 16. This is equal to 3.33. Okay, now we require the simplest ratio. To determine the simplest ratio, we divide each and every mole value by smallest mole value. अभी यहाँ पर तीन वैल्यू मिले हैं, जिसमें से दो जो है वो सेम है, एक डिफरेंट है. तो इसमें से जो छोटा रहेगा उसको चूज करके हम क्या करेंगे? सभी वैल्यूज को उस छोटे वैल्यू से डिवाइड करेंगे. छोटा जो है वो 3.33 है, तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे? यूज करेंगे और एक सिंपलेस्ट रेशियो ड्रॉ करेंगे. सॉरी, 6.67 divided by 3.33. This is equal to 2 and 3.33 divided by 3.33. This is equal to 1. This is 1. So we have got a simplest whole number ratio, and that is 1:2:1. Okay, now we will write the empirical formula. Write the symbol of each element present in the compound and write the simplest whole number ratio figures as a subscript. Okay, so carbon has 1, then hydrogen 2, and oxygen 1. So this is what, this is our empirical formula for a given compound. Empirical formula for a given compound. But to determine molecular formula, okay, what we know that molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Okay, so we have to find out this n. हमें क्या करना है, n फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. और n क्या है? okay, n का एक फॉर्मूला हमें बताया था जब हम फर्स्ट लेक्चर किया था इस empirical और molecular formula के लिए. तो n is equal to molecular formula mass divided by empirical formula mass करते हैं. empirical formula mass करते हैं, तो इसको n को फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो हम molecular formula क्या कर सकते हैं, इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो पहले हम स्टेप, दिस इज व्हाट स्टेप 1 हो गया आपकी empirical formula determination. स्टेप 2 में क्या करते हैं, empirical formula mass डिटरमाइन करते हैं. empirical formula mass डिटरमाइन करेंगे. फॉर्मूला क्या है, CH2O है. CH2O है, तो उसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, उसमें एक कार्बन है प्लस 2 हाइड्रोजन है प्लस 1 ऑक्सीजन एटम है. बराबर है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 12 प्लस 2 into 1 प्लस 16 हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 2 प्लस 16, ओके, which is equal to 30 हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is empirical formula mass, and empirical formula mass is how much, 30. Okay, now in the third step we will determine this factor n. Okay, this factor n, और n determination के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, n determination के लिए हमें चाहिए molecular formula mass और empirical formula mass चाहिए. तो molecular formula mass या फिर molecular mass हमें दिया गया है, कितना है, 180 है. 180 है, उसको लेते हैं. empirical formula mass हमने सेकंड स्टेप में कैलकुलेट किया है, उसको लेते हैं 30. ओके, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, दिस इज इक्वल टू 6. नाउ इन द फोर्थ स्टेप वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द molecular formula. molecular formula is equal to what, n into empirical formula. This is our what, relation. Okay, so molecular formula we don't know, but we know n is equal to 6. And what is empirical formula? Empirical formula is CH2O. ठीक है, तो empirical formula हमें पता है CH2O करके लिया है, हमने CH2O करके लिया है. तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे, 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्या हो जाएगा, देखो, कार्बन 6 हो जाएंगे, 2 into 6 12 हो जाएंगे, हाइड्रोजन 12 हो जाएंगे, और 6 ऑक्सीजन, 1 into 6 means 6 ऑक्सीजन. So molecular formula for a compound which has molecular mass 180, okay, and contains 40% carbon and 6.67% hydrogen and 53.33% of oxygen is C6H12O6. okay, तो कितना स्टेप बढ़ गया, स्टेप बढ़ा है 1, 2 और 3. तो empirical formula determination से आगे हमें 3 स्टेप्स करने हैं. okay, we have to follow another 3 steps to calculate molecular formula. After calculating empirical formula, we have to calculate empirical formula mass, By using that empirical formula mass, we have to calculate the factor n. Okay, and the factor n, using that factor n, we have to multiply the empirical formula by the factor n. You will get the molecular formula. You will get the molecular formula for the compound. So this is regarding the molecular formula determination. We have made a video related to empirical formula determination. This is related to molecular formula determination. So either empirical formula determination or molecular formula determination, they will ask for 4 marks. They will ask for 4 marks. Okay, this is regarding the molecular formula determination. Okay, I will put some numericals, okay, related to empirical formula determination and molecular formula determination in the Google Classroom. So you have to solve those numericals and send me in the Google Classroom or to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is very important concept on this topic. Okay, and there is total 4 marks for empirical and molecular formula determination. Okay, thank you.